Hello traders. Today is the 26th of September 2010 and happy Sunday to you all. This video is about the trend line, how you can use the trend line like a professional traders, okay? And I have here the quarterly chart of the Euro USD. The quarterly chart is the 3-month chart. Each candle here represents 3 months activity in the Euro USD currency pair. Okay, so this is the quarterly Euro USD currency pair. Okay, and I have here some of the trend line ready on this chart. Okay, as you can see, this one was since 2006 on this chart, and the euro here, as you can see, touch it again here, and the price just went down, like I show you on the monthly chart already. Now, the reason why you need to go to the higher time frame is to have the bigger picture, okay? To know exactly what is the root of the matter, okay? You don't want to just scratch on top of the market for some little profit, but sometimes it's better to go to the higher time frame in order to see what the market movers are looking at, because they always look at this chart, while the ordinary traders, the retail traders, the amateur traders are busy looking on the 50-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 2-minute chart all day long without knowing that there is a storm or something happening in the market. But if you come to the higher time frame, you will see exactly what the professionals are looking at, and you are likely to make the same decision like the professional trader. Like I show you here, this trend line here, okay, the price touch it here, we have this trend line, the price touch it again here, and then it come down nicely. This level has this trend line here, started from this level to this level here, the price came back and retested here. That's why this currency pair is going up, okay? So we have another trend line here again. We draw it again, this trend line here. Okay, as you can see, there's another trend line there. The chances that the price may come all the way and touch this level here and then come down again. Okay, so it's there for you to use this simple tool, the trend line. And if you look carefully here on this quarterly chart of the Euro USD, I will draw a horizontal line also for you on this chart. As you can see, there was a resistance level here, in this level here. As you can see, the euro is approaching this resistance level here. I will call out that level for you in bear with me, in red. Okay, this is a resistance level here for this euro USD currency pair. So we are in a resistance zone. We are approaching a resistance zone. Okay, all this level here, these are what I call a resistance zone. Okay, we are approaching a resistance zone. We'll watch carefully the market. The market, usually when people look at a very important resistance level, they just switch on straight away their bearish instant and start selling. Okay, we do not trade that way. When you are approaching resistance level, if you are already in this trend, what you do in my trading style is that I'm coming out of the trend, okay, and then I'm watching now what is likely to happen here. But because if you jump into conclusion and you start to doing your own thing, selling, buying, whatever you want to do here, and you start losing money, but the best thing to do, this is the best time to remain patient, because you know that there's two things that can happen here. Two things or three things, okay? Either the price will get into consolidation, going around slowly here before going up or down, okay? So it can either consolidate, it can either cross above it and find a support, or go below it and come back down again. So what do you need to do is to step back a bit and then just play slowly, wait. The best time to day trade, this is the best time to day trade. So you switch back to your lower time frame, you know that you are a key resistance level, and you just play it there with your TSTW24 trading system. Okay, just following the market, because if you know that somebody hold the key, okay, the key to your mansion, and you want to get to your mansion, okay, you just follow the person. So you keep following the price, just keep following the price. The price cannot hide, it cannot hide. We are just following the price. If you go left, we go left. If you go right, we go right. If you go down, we go down. If you go up, we go up. We are just a faithful servant of the price, follower of the price. So if the price has a cheetah account, we're going to follow the price. That's simple. So we know that we are key resistance level. So come Monday, okay, market open, we just open our eyes is our important tool in the market. We keep it wide open. Do not blink when you approach a key resistance level, and do not blink either when you approach a key support level. Do not blink if you approach a key a trend line level. Also very important. This is the time where you're supposed to keep your eyes wide open and switch on all your instant, the bullish instant, the bearish instant, the consolidation instant, both, all of them. Keep them on and just observe the price. And sometimes you will be surprised. The market is so nice that it will just come out in one direction and then pull back nicely and then continue nicely. And you got a perfect entry point. This is to show you how you can use the trend line like professional traders. Go into the higher time frame, draw your resistance now. Now, looking at this picture right here, what do I see? Okay, in my view, this Euro USD must come up a bit. Okay, it must come up a bit. The best place, the best scenario is not always what is going to happen depending on the market fundamentals. So, the best scenario, in my view, where I can make more money, that's the best for me, is for the Euro to pull back a bit nicely. Okay, so some people will think that it's going down and then around to turn around again and come back again and test this trend line here. That will be the perfect, beautiful scenario for me, because I will make more money if the euro come back. I acknowledge this resistance level, which means it found a bit of resistance here, people push it down a bit, and then it found a support which will be around this level here. You see this top here, okay, to come back a bit down to this level here, okay, which is 13360 level, okay, and then again turn around and continue the movement to this zone here. So that will be the perfect scenario for us. So if I draw on my chart what I'm talking about, you can see clearly that my the best scenario where I can make more money, okay, to come back down a bit to this level here, and then again to turn around and come back and touch this one here, this trend line here. But if the market is very, very bullish, it may just continue from here and ignore my plan and go all the way and touch it here. But that remains to be seen, because if you watch the top of this chart here, as you can see, the price was in an uptrend from here, display a higher low, went away up here, you see, display a new high. Right here we have a lower high. You see, this is what I'm talking about. This is a lower high here. We cannot ignore that. So it's not as bullish as it's supposed to be, because we have a lower high on the quarterly chart. So it's not on the 5-minute chart, okay? This is on the quarterly chart. So in the uptrend, we know that the price must display higher lows and higher highs. And then you see carefully on this chart here, if I show you clearly what's happening here, the price, there was a low here, okay? And then we have a higher low. So this is a demand. It's showing us that, okay, the price going up. After this trend line is broken here, you see, easy, after it's broken here, people bought it. And they acknowledge the resistance here, and the resistance line was broken. The price continued movement to the upside. There was a new high here, which is a higher high compared to this high here. So a high and a higher high. Right now, we do not have a higher high anymore. We have a lower high right here. It's a lower high. Not on 5-minute, not on daily chart, not on monthly chart. It's the quarterly chart. Each candle represents 3 months. So there is a bit of bearishness in this market. It does not mean that the euro is going to crash. The best place to sell is at the edge of this trend line here, okay, somewhere here. But it's down to you what you try to do with this information, okay? But the best thing to do not jump into any conclusion, do not rush and take action. Just acknowledge this information, be aware of those levels, those trend lines, draw them and be aware of them, and observe the price and follow the price. Don't, if the music has changed, okay, the dance must change. I repeat this 100 times, and the trend line must be broken if you want to enter your trade. So I hope this video is useful to you, that you will start using the trend line more and more in your trading decision, paying attention to them in order to maximize your profit. If you want to join us, you need to go to www.stochastic-macd.com to get in touch with us, okay? So we wish you a very happy trading week. Thank you.